Hello, this is Virgil Elkington, Lab 5 DC Circuits 115. And what we have here is a relay circuit, probably the most basic relay circuit you're going to find. I want to go through the circuit before we activate it, even though you can see it's partially activated with this white light. All right, to do a relay circuit, we're going to have a 9-volt battery as our activator inside the relay here, and we also have 5 volts being provided by the Arduino board. So let's get to the setup. For the load coming out, which side the load is coming out, I got 2 different LEDs. One's going to be a white one, or it looks yellow here, and then we have a green one when the relay is switched. Of course, I have the positives on each end of the boards joined, and then I got the negatives joined. That's just for simplicity. I have a 9-volt battery that is put into the negative board and the positive. And we have a 1,000 ohm resistor, and we're grounded into the Arduino board, and also getting 5 volts coming into 5 volts is going from the Arduino board here to the switch, to pin number 2 on the relay, and the ground is going to the number 1 pin on the relay. The number 5 pin on the relay is being fed from the battery through the 100 ohm resistor to the middle. And then when the relay is not being activated, the white LED is on. And here we go. When we switch the switch, with the switch here, see the switch? You can actually hear the relay flipping. That's kind of cool. So you flip it, and when it's activated, it switches over to the other terminal, number 4, and then the green one comes on. The way this happens is if you look at the pins, here's a drawing of the pins in sequence with the how we call the pins. Pin 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 is normally closed. That's why we have the white light, because it's closed on the relay. And pin number 4 is normally open. Number 5 is when it's activated through the switch, will close, and then number 4 pin will be closed, and number 3 will be open. So that's how it looks. Let's just do it again. That's exactly what's going on there. If you look at our drawing of the sketch, we'll see that's how that's happening. And on the not on this video, but it'll be in the lab, we have the drawing and a schematic of the sketch. But I will include it here. What's happening? So right now, with the white light being shown, the switch is open, and be open from number 5 and closed in its natural state, and feeds LED, the white one, and back. So this is our 9-volt battery going into a 1 kilo ohm resistor, and the switch is normally closed with pin number 4. This is pin number 4. Here's that power going into the power's coming in to the pin, and then being activated with the resistor, and when that's active. When it's not active, it's in pin number 4 is closed, so the white light's on, and now we're going to activate it, and the green light goes. Very simple, but very effective. The LEDs represent different loads, which could be big, heavy equipment can be controlled by low voltage, low current. So that's how this relay works.